For number 4, again, this question is under the verbal ability. At the park, the boys blank basketball every afternoon. Is it A is playing, B play, C plays, or D are playing? Again, we would like to have many aspiring or CSE as eligible aspirants. So please take time to share this live to those that will take the exam, no, the CSE. Okay, yay, 2 of 3 na. Sha says D, Marnelli D, King A is playing, Malin B, Luz Biminda D, Emmy D. I hope you can still recall yung mga signal words natin, ha? How about the others? Is it are playing? Okay, perhaps, di ba? Sige. Di po kasi marami. Perhaps, he pertains to the subject. Yeah, that's correct. Marami naman the boys. Marami yan sila. That is our basic rule in the subject verb agreement. The subject should always agree with your verb. Ano po? Singular subject takes singular verb. Plural subject takes plural form of the verb. But this one, at the park, the boys blank basketball every afternoon. Abdullah says P. Jaya D. Oh, according to Mary Jane, Coach, it's letter B because it's a habit. Oh, that's good to know. Because that is really the correct answer. For number 4, at the park, the boys blank basketball every afternoon. That's why it's letter B, play. Kung wala na yung every afternoon, putulin na natin siya dyan. At the park, the boys blank basketball. Ang sabi nyo nga kanina, the boys, plural yan. So, plural form of the verb. O pwedeng happening, nangyayari siya. Are playing. Kung hanggang basketball lang siya because it's present continuous. But, according to... Nako, nawala na siya. According to Ma'am Mary Jane, Iram Enad, sabi niya, it's letter B because it's a habit. Yeah. Meron ka dyang repeated action. Ibig sabihin, habitual yung paglalaro ng basketball. Again, yung phrase na every afternoon, it shows a habitual or repeated action. And for routines or habits, we make use of the simple present tense. Ano yung simple present tense? The boys, plural subject. Ang plural subject dapat naka-base ang verb. Kaya boys play. Plural kasi yung boys, right? Base yung play. Again, let's focus on the phrase every afternoon. Again, if it is habitual, madalas nangyayari, routine, laging ginagawa, simple present tense ang gagamitin. The subject agrees with the verb. Kung naka-simple present siya, the boys play. Kung the boy lang, the boy plays. Ano pa? Plural kasi siya, the boys play basketball every afternoon. O why others are incorrect? Kasi is playing, singular siya, pero naka-gerund yan, ing yung word, is playing. Singular plus present continuous, it's happening. Definitely, yung place nga, mali siya kasi singular lang yung subject pag place ang gagamitin. Plural to eh. Kaya coach, dapat plural yung verb. Yung D, bakit mali din siya? Are playing. Same with letter A, naka-present continuous siya. Hindi siya habitual. No? Present continuous nangyayari. Kaya it's important that we know to identify the signal words. Again, ang signal words natin dito indicating that the routine, that this is a routine, that this is a habit, is the phrase every afternoon. That's why if you will be reading statement like this, you pay attention in those signal words. Example, every afternoon, every day, always, usually. Pag narinig na natin yon, nabasa na natin yon, that gives us a hint, that routine to, habit niya na to. Again, if it is habitual, routine, we make use of the simple present tense. Okay?